Good morning. So today we are going to discuss about single entry system. This is for BCom first year second sem students. So here some given questions. So question number 1, answer the following question in one sentence only. What is the single entry system? Here it is solution number 1, a bookkeeping system that only records one aspect of each business transactions, either debit or credit, is called single entry system. Here we have to understand that what is the single entry system is either it is debit or it is credit. Only one aspect business transactions is recorded. Solution number 2, single entry system is system of bookkeeping in which complete records are maintained. Under this system, records of only cash of personal accounts are maintained. There are no defined set of rules are be followed. It is particularly suitable for small business with a limited number of transactions. Accounts maintained under the system are known as incomplete double entry records. Solution number 3 is a bookkeeping system that only records one aspect of each business transactions, either debit or credit, is called single entry system. Next question number 2, answer in one sentence only what is statement of affairs. So here it is given solution. A statement of affairs is basically a statement of capital showing assets and liabilities as on the date of its preparation. That are two such statements: opening statement of affairs and closing statement of affairs. Number 3, answer in one sentence only which method statement of affairs is prepared. Solution: under the single entry system, real accounts are not recorded in the books. Therefore, it is not possible to prepare the balance sheet of business. Hence, under this system, the statement of affairs is prepared. Question number 4, answer in any sentence only which type of transactions are recorded in single entry system. So here it is solution. Only transactions related to cash and personal accounts are maintained and recorded under this system of accounting. Transactions related to real and nominal accounts are ignored. Question number 5, answer in one sentence only, can a trial balance be prepared under single system? Solution: as incomplete records are maintained under single entry system, only few transactions are recorded. Only cash and personal accounts are maintained, whereas real and nominal accounts are ignored. Also, no set rules are followed to record the transactions. Hence, a trial balance cannot be prepared. Next question number 6, answer in one sentence only which type of accounts are maintained under the single entry system. Solution number 1, cash book and personal accounts are maintained in this system. Solution number 2, here solution number 2, under the system, single entry system, only few transactions are recorded, hence only personal and cash accounts are maintained and not set of rules followed. Here question number 7. Write the word, term, phrase which can be substitute the following statement, a statement similar to balance sheet. Solution: statement of affairs. So explanation: a statement of affairs shows various assets and liabilities of a business on a particular date. It can be prepared with both opening and closing balances. A statement prepared with opening assets and liabilities is known as opening keep statement affairs of certain opening capital. Similarly, a statement prepared with the closing assets and liabilities is known as closing statement of affairs. It similarly to be balance sheet prepared under double entry system. Question number 8. Answer in one sentence only. Why is it difficult to ascertain the correct profit and loss under single entry system? Here given in solution, as records maintained under single entry system are incomplete, detailed information about expenses is not allowed, hence it becomes difficult to ascertain the true profits and losses incurred during an accounting period. Question number 5. Answer in one sentence only. How is closing capital calculated under the single entry system? Solution: under the single entry system, closing capital is based on the estimated value of assets and liabilities at the end of the year. It is calculated as difference between closing liabilities and closing assets. And question number 9. Answer in one sentence only. Which statement is prepared under the single entry system to ascertain profit? Solution: statement of profit and loss is prepared to calculate the profit under the single entry system. The profit is calculated as the follows: capital at the end, add drawings made during the year less additional capital introduced during the year less capital in beginning, that is equal to profit or loss of the year. Question number 10. Here answer in one sentence only. Which type of accounts are normally kept under single entry system? Solution: real and nominal accounts are maintained under single entry system. Only cash personal accounts are recorded under this system. Single entry system is an incomplete system of recording transactions and is considered to be suitable for small organizations. Therefore, only entries related to be personal and cash accounts are recorded. All other are ignored. Question number 11. Write the word, term, phrase which can be substitute of the following statement: a system of bookkeeping in which both aspects of transactions are recorded. Solution: double entry system. Explanation: in contrast to single entry system, double entry system, the dual aspect of each transaction is recorded. In other words, debit and credit aspects of nominal and real personal accounts are recorded. Therefore, this system is considered more reliable and scientific. Right. Question number 12. Write the word, term, phrase which can be substitute of the following statement: an excess of assets over liabilities. Solution: capital. Explanation: the excess of assets over liabilities known as capital. Opening capital is calculated by deducting the opening liabilities from the opening assets, and closing capital is calculated deduction closing the liabilities from closing assets. Here question number 13. Write the word, term, phrase which can be substitute of the following statement: a systematic system of accounting which is not scientific. Solution: that is single entry system. Explanation: single entry system is not incomplete and unscientific system of accounting. Only personal and cash accounts are maintained under it. This system is mostly suitable for small scale business which limited number of transactions. Moreover, there are no set of rules prescribed for recording transactions under this system. Question number 14. Write the word, term, phrase which can substitute the following statement: name of the method in which only cash and personal transactions are recorded. Solution: single entry system. Under the single entry system, only cash and personal accounts are maintained, while real and nominal accounts are ignored. It is an incomplete and unscientific system, as incomplete accounts are maintained with no proper rules adapted of recording of transactions. Moving to the question number 15. Write the word, term, phrase which can be substitute the following statement: the method in which trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet can be prepared. The solution is double entry system. Explanation: double entry system is trading and profit loss account and balance sheet form parts of financial system, since both these are prepared at the end of accounting period. Write the word, term, phrase which can be substitute the following statement: a statement similar to balance sheet. The statements of affairs. A statements of affairs shows various assets and liabilities of business on a particular date. It can be prepared with both opening and closing balances. A statement prepared with the opening assets and liabilities is known as opening statement of affairs. Similarly, a statement prepared with the closing assets and liabilities is known as closing statement of affairs. It is similarly to balance sheet prepared under the double entry. 17. Write the word, term, phrase which can be substitute of the following statement: the statement a similar to balance sheet prepared to ascertain the amount of closing capital. Solution: the closing statement of affairs. Example: the amount of closing capital is calculated by preparing closing statement of affairs by deducting the total closing liabilities from the total closing assets. Next, write the word, term, phrase which can be substitute the following statement: system of accounting normally suitable for small organizations. Moving to the next, the single entry system. The explanation: generally small business lack of required experience in recording transactions in scientific and systematic manner. Allocation of the funds for maintain complete accounting records in difficult for them. So it is desirable for them to maintain incomplete records and ascertain the profit and loss. This is known as single entry system and is particularly suitable for small case business organizations that have small number of transactions. Moving to the question number 19, write the word, term, phrase which can be substitute of the following statement. The accounting method in which profit is calculated by comparing opening closing statements of affairs. Net worth method. Here in the explanation under the single entry system, profit or loss calculated by the comparing capital two dates, opening capital and closing capital. The profit is calculated as closing capital less opening capital, and also the following adjustments are made. Drawings. If drawings are made during the year, they should be added to the amount of closing capital. Additional capital. If additional capital is introduced in the business during the year, it should be deducted from the amount of closing capital. Interest on capital. If interest is provided on capital, it should be deducted from the amount of closing capital. Write the word, term, phrase which can be substitute the following statement. When closing capital is greater than opening capital is denotes to profit, loss, no profit, no loss, assets. Options. The solution is when closing capital is greater than opening is denotes profit. Explanation. The formula to calculate closing as opening capital plus profit. Hence, when closing capital is greater than the opening capital, it denotes profit. However, the closing capital is less than opening capital, it denotes loss. Question number 22. Write the term, word which can be substitute the following statement. Gallery. Incompleted records are maintained by trader, company, society, government. Solution. Generally incomplete records are maintained by trader. Here explanation. Incomplete records based on the lines of single entry system are usually maintained by trader. Incomplete records may be due to partial record of transactions, as is the case with small shopkeepers such as grocery and vendors. Companies, societies and governments are required to maintain accounts based on double entry system owing to size of their business. Select most appropriate answer, the alternative given below. Rewrite the sentence. The capital in the beginning of accounting year is ascertained by preparing options: receipts and payments account, cash account, statement of profit and loss account, opening statement of affairs. The solution. The capital is in the beginning of accounting ascertained by preparing opening statement of affairs. Explanation. For determining the opening capital, the statement of affairs is prepared on the opening date. Opening capital will be balanced figure which calculated by deducting the total opening liabilities from the total opening assets. Select the most appropriate answer, the alternatives given below, and review the sentence. Under the single entry system only, personal accounts and cash accounts are opened, real accounts are open, nominal accounts are open, real and nominal accounts are open. Solution. Under the single entry system is only personal accounts and cash accounts are opened. Explanation: real and nominal accounts are not maintained under the single entry system. Only personal and cash accounts and the cash credit transactions are recorded under the system. So moving to the next, true or false? Under the single entry system is not possible to prepare trial balance. Options true or false. Solution is true. Explanation: incomplete records are maintained under the system. It is not possible to prepare a trial balance. Only transactions related to cash and personal accounts are recorded under the single entry system, while transactions related to real and nominal accounts are ignored. Hence, it is difficult to prepare a trial balance. Select next question number 26. Select the most appropriate answer alternatives given below. Rewrite sentence: the capital balances are ascertained by preparing statement of affairs, cash account, drawings, debtors. Solution is the capital balance are ascertained by preparing statements of affairs. The explanation: it is statement showing various assets and liabilities of business on a particular date. It can be prepared with both opening and closing balances. A statement prepared with opening assets and liabilities is known as opening statement of affairs. Similarly, a statement prepared with closing assets and liabilities is known as closing statement of affairs. So this is for today.